Hello everyone, my name is Usama Trading, and I want to talk about something different, very powerful. 15 minutes conversation with ChatGPT about your goals. Hi ChatGPT, how are you? Okay. ChatGPT, my name is Usama Trading. I am student of Rehan College. Just like many of you, like most student, I have question. Okay, what should I do? I do with my future. I on the right path. How to improve myself? Okay. One day interviewed everything. I detect talk to ChatGPT for just 15 minutes about my goals and hostel those 15 minutes change how clear I see in my future. Today I share how those 15 minutes can help you anyone, especially student. Yes, really. We all have goals, but sometimes we don't. I know how to explain them. Sometimes we feel const. We can always talk openly to friends. They might not understand. Family, they might force us. Teacher, they are busy. That where ChatGPT become useful. Okay. My next question, ChatGPT, do I jump me? It is stand, it is talk smart question, and it help you think clear. Okay. Yeah, I start with a simple sentence, and ChatGPT want to talk about goals, but I am confused. Okay, then ChatGPT asked me, "What are you studying? What are you interested in? What skill do you already have?" What I think question is, what skill do you already have? Okay, this is question media of pose anything for the first time. I was to guessing. I am not understanding myself. Okay. Okay, Jerry, my next question is I start with a simple sentence. Okay, ChatGPT. Really, ChatGPT, taking those 15-minute ChatGPT helped me breaking goal into small setups, understand my studying weeks, seeing reactive past interested of dream only. For example, see, yeah, okay. Internship for saying I want to be successful. ChatGPT help my say I want to improve my connection skills, learning digital tools and goals step by step. Okay. ChatGPT, my next question is for example, I want that is magic that is created for student. I like to use this powerful because we are using point small.